Most people know they should understand investing, trading, and crypto better, but learning often feels overwhelming. You open a chart, see dozens of indicators, hear unfamiliar terms, and suddenly it feels easier to close the app and come back later. The problem is that later usually never comes. That is why I tested Finelo, a learning platform designed to make financial education feel more practical, interactive, and easier to follow. In this Finelo review, I will show you how the platform works, what features stood out to me, and who I think could benefit from using it. First, Finelo is not presented as a place where you simply watch long lectures. The experience is built around learning pathways made from short lessons, practice activities, quizzes, and voice-guided explanations.
Welcome to your first step into the world of dividends.
That structure immediately makes the platform feel more approachable, especially for beginners who don't want to sit through hours of theory before doing anything practical. The course library covers several useful areas, including investing, trading, crypto, passive income, trading with AI, and investing with AI. You can choose a pathway based on what you want to understand at a comfortable personal pace instead of following one rigid program. For example, someone interested in building long-term wealth can focus on investing, while someone interested in shorter-term market movement can explore trading. I like that this format encourages active learning instead of only reading definitions. You move through small sections, answer questions, and test what you have understood. Now that matters because financial concepts are easier to remember when applied immediately. One standout feature is the market simulator that lets you practice with stock, cryptocurrencies, and commodities using real market data, but without risking real money. Now this gives beginners a safer space to understand how price moves, how decisions affect a portfolio, and how emotions can influence trading behavior. The simulator is important because knowing the theory is not the same as making a decision while a market is moving. In simulation, you notice whether you chase prices, panic during a drop, or enter a trade without a clear reason. Now those habits are valuable to identify before real money is involved. Finelo also includes a leaderboard where you can compare progress with other users. Now that competitive element can make learning more engaging. You can see your development and use the ranking as extra motivation. Another small but effective feature is the streak system. Finelo rewards consistent daily learning, which helps turn financial education into a habit. A 10-minute lesson every day can be more useful than studying for 3 hours once and then forgetting about the topic for several weeks. The platform also adds several AI-powered tools. The chart analyzer is designed to explain what may be happening on a chart. The market overview provides broader context, and pattern recognition helps identify visual patterns that may otherwise be difficult for a beginner to notice. Now these tools can help reduce the noise that often comes with market research. Instead of staring at a chart and guessing, you can use the explanations to understand possible trends, risks, and scenarios. Now that does not mean AI can predict the future or guarantee profitable decisions. Markets remain uncertain, and every user should still think critically and manage risk carefully. There is also an AI mentor that allows you to ask questions and receive clear explanations. This can be useful when a lesson introduces a term you don't fully understand. Rather than leaving the platform to search through random videos or articles, you can continue learning in the same place and ask for the idea to be explained in simple language. Finelo places particular emphasis on trading and investing with AI. For traders, AI can speed up market analysis, organize information, and provide a more structured view of potential risks and scenarios. The main benefit is not removing human judgment, it is spending less time sorting through noise and more time understanding what is happening and why. For investors, the AI features can support faster research into assets and market context. They can also help users compare risk and return more systematically. Long-term investing often becomes difficult when emotions take over, so having a structured research process may help reduce impulsive choices. From my experience, Finelo feels best suited to beginners and early-stage learners. It combines lessons, quizzes, simulation, progress tracking, and AI support in one platform. That makes it easy to move from learning a concept to practicing it without constantly switching between separate websites and tools. Of course, Finelo should be viewed as an educational platform, not as a shortcut to guarantee profits. No course, simulator, or AI tool can remove financial risk. The real value comes from building knowledge, practicing decisions, understanding your behavior, and becoming more disciplined over time. Overall, my Finelo review is positive because the platform makes financial education feel less intimidating and more interactive. The short learning pathways are easy to follow, the simulator adds practical experience, the streaks encourage consistency, and the AI tools help explain information that can otherwise feel confusing. If you want to explore Finelo, use the link in the description and click the Get Started button. Take your time, begin with the pathway that matches your goals, and treat every lesson as part of a longer learning process. The goal is not to become an expert overnight, it is to make better informed decisions one step at a time. Thanks for watching, see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.